Students, this is basics class number 15. Let us continue that last class, last video. Trigonometric functions of standard angles. These angles. Already in that last video, I explained 90 minus theta and 90 plus theta. In this class, I go for explaining 180 degree minus theta, right? So you take that 180 degree minus theta. So right, x-axis, so y-axis not required. This is 0 degree, so 90 degree, 180 degree, so 270 degree, 360 degree, 360 degree, 180 minus theta. Up to here it is 180. Minus theta means I should go back. I should go back for theta. Theta. So this is terminal ray should be here. This is 180 minus theta. So if this measure is 180 minus theta, what about this measure? Theta. Theta. This is terminal ray. So terminal ray. So terminal ray. Now, so tell me the relative angle, the reference angle. Reference angle means angle between terminal ray and x-axis. Theta. Theta becomes a reference angle. Theta is the relative angle to 180 degree minus theta. Theta is the relative angle to 180 degree minus theta. So right, now you take one by one. Sine 180 degree minus theta. Clearly, the angle 180 degree minus theta belongs to second quadrant. Second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine, all sine values should be positive. All sine values, ASTC. Have I explained this ASTC in the class? ASTC. According to ASTC, in first quadrant, all trigonometric functions takes positive values. In second quadrant, sine function, whatever that theta is, sine and its reciprocal cosec takes positive values and other functions takes negative values. In third quadrant, tan theta, tan and cot takes positive values. The other trigonometric ratios takes negative values irrespective of angles. In fourth quadrant, all cos and secant takes positive values and other functions takes negative values. You come to this ASTC, all students taking copy, all silver teacups, all after school to college. So all students taking coffee, all students taking Coca-Cola, all students taking Coca-Cola. So lastly, all students are third in college. If they come to college, they become third. All students are third in college. Keep that in mind. Okay, students, come to this. 180 minus theta, second quadrant angle. So if in second quadrant, sine value should be positive. Now write that sine as it is. Now write the relative angle. Tell me angle related to 180 degree minus theta. So that's all. What is sine 180 degree minus theta? Sine theta. Reciprocal. So reciprocal of sine is cosec. Cosec 180 degree minus theta. What is the reciprocal of sine theta? Cosec theta. cosecant theta. Reciprocal of sine, 1 by sine. 1 by sine means cosec. Cosec theta. So next, cos 180 degree minus theta. 180 degree minus theta. Which quadrant is that? Second quadrant. 180 degree minus theta, second quadrant. In second quadrant, all cos theta values, whatever that angle is, cos value should be negative. So whatever this angle is, in second quadrant, cos value should be negative. You should add minus. Carry that cos as it is. Tell me relative angle, theta. Angle related to 180 minus theta is theta. What is cos 180 minus theta? Minus cos theta. Reciprocal of that. What is the reciprocal of cos? 1 by cos. Secant 180 degree minus theta. Minus reciprocal of cos is 1 by cos. 1 by cos is secant theta. So next, so tan 180 degree minus theta. So tan 180 degree minus theta. 180 degree minus theta, third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan is positive. Sorry, second quadrant. 180 degree minus theta, tan, second quadrant. In second quadrant, all tan values must be negative according to ASTC. Minus, you had minus. So now, angle with tan angle related to 180 minus theta is theta. So theta. So tan 180 minus theta minus tan theta. So lastly, reciprocal of tan is cot. So 180 degree minus theta is minus cot theta. I hope you understood this, students. Now let's go for next angle, 180 plus theta. So 180 plus theta. So right. So come to this now. 180 degree plus theta. So right. So 180 plus theta. So look at this, students. 0 degree. So 90 degree. 180 degree. 270 degree. 360 degree. 180 plus theta. Up to here it is 180 degree. You move little bit more than 180. You move up to theta, right? So 180 plus theta. Up to here it is 180. Still you go for little more. Little more means its measure should be theta. Theta is acute. So right. This is theta. Theta full. 180 plus theta. This is terminal ray. So terminal ray. So tell me, angle between terminal ray and x-axis becomes reference angle. Theta is reference angle to 180 degree plus theta. So theta is reference angle to 180 degree plus theta. Theta is reference angle to 180 degree plus theta. Now let's go for one by one. So right, first one, sine 180 degree plus theta. Sine 180 degree plus theta. 180 degree plus theta is which quadrant is that? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, all sine values must be negative according to ASTC. Negative. Carry that sign as it is. So tell me angle related to 180 degree plus theta. What is sine 180 plus theta? minus sin theta. So now reciprocal cosecant of 180 degree plus theta. Reciprocal of sin is 1 by sin. It is cosec minus cosec theta. Second one, cos 180 degree plus theta. Cos 180 plus theta. 180 degree plus theta, which quadrant is that? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, all cos values must be negative according to ASTC. Use minus cos 10 relative angle related to 180 plus theta. It is theta. Reciprocal on that. What is the reciprocal of cos? Secant. So 180 degree plus theta. So minus reciprocal of cos is 1 by cos secant theta. So lastly, so tan 180 degree plus theta. So tan 180 degree plus theta. Again third quadrant. In third quadrant tan is negative, positive. Tan is positive. ASTC plus. So tan. So tell me angle related to 180 degree plus theta. Tan theta. So reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of tan? Cot. Tan. Reciprocal of tan. 1 by tan. Cot. So cot 180 degree plus theta. Reciprocal of tan is cot. I hope you understood this also well, students. Let us go for one more angle. 270 degree minus theta. So 270 degree minus theta. 270 degree minus theta. So one more. 270 degree minus theta. So right. So look at this, students. X-axis not required. So 0 degree. So 90 degree. Up to here it is 180 degree. 270 degree. 360 degree. Now 270, up to here it is 270 degree minus theta. You minus, subtract theta from that 270. So how much should I go back? I should go back for the theta. So right, this is 270 minus theta. This is terminal ray. So terminal ray. So 270. This measure is up to here it is 270 minus theta. So now this is reference angle. Angle between terminal ray and x-axis is reference angle. So reference angle. Tell me what is the measure of this? This full is 90. Tell me measure of this, students. Theta. 270 minus theta. We went back just theta. This measure should be theta. Full is from here to here it is 90. From here to here it is angle is 90. So then what is the measure of this? 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta, correct? This measure is theta. Because up to here it is 270. This one is 270 minus theta. 270 minus plus theta, full becomes 270. If this becomes 270, so what is the measure of reference angle? 90 degree minus theta. Illinda 90. theta ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 90 minus theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 90, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 90. theta ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 90 minus theta. What is the measure of reference angle? 90 minus theta. One thing you remember, reference angle or relative angle is always acute angle. Reference angle or relative angle must be acute angle. Keep that in mind. Now let's go for one more right. So 90 minus theta is reference angle. So reference angle to 270 degree minus theta. So 270 degree minus theta. Using that to calculate one by one. So first one sine. So 270 degree minus theta. Which quadrant is that, students? Third quadrant. 270 degree minus theta. It is in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, all sine values should be negative. Minus. Write that sign as it is. Tell me angle related to 270 degree minus theta. 90 minus theta. So 90 degree minus theta. So right. Minus, you know this very well. What is sin 90 minus theta? Cos theta. In that last video you learned that sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. So cos theta. Next. So next, reciprocal. Reciprocal of sin is cosec. Cosec 270 degree minus theta. Reciprocal of cos is secant. Secant theta. Second one, cos. So 270 degree minus theta. So 270 degree minus theta. It is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos is negative. 270 minus theta, third quadrant, cos is negative. Minus. So right. Tell me reference angle. So reference angle to 270 degree minus theta, 90 minus theta. 90 degree minus theta. So minus, what is cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta. Sin theta. Reciprocal of cos is secant. So 270 degree minus theta. Minus. Reciprocal of sin, 1 by sin, it is cosec theta. Cosecant theta. Lastly, so tan 270 degree minus theta. 270 degree minus theta. Again third quadrant. In third quadrant tan must be positive. All tan values are positive. So tan, tell me reference angle. Angle related to 270 degree minus theta is 90 minus theta. 90 degree minus theta. So tan 90 minus theta. Cot theta. Cot theta. Reciprocal of tan is so cot 270 degree minus theta. Reciprocal of cot is tan. I hope you people are understanding these things well. So right. So now let's go for check the time. I hope you understood this well. You understood these things well. Right, friends? I explain one more. Remaining, I will leave you to complete that. I won't do on my own. So next you take, I take 270 plus theta. Shall I go for 360 minus theta? I go for 360 degree minus theta. Last one, 360 degree minus theta. So right. So right, 360 degree minus theta. So 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360 degree, 360 though it is 360, subtract theta from that. One full round becomes 360. Minus theta means I should go down. I should go down for the theta. So right, this is 360 minus theta. Terminal ray. So terminal ray 360 minus theta. Full is 360 minus theta. So what is the measure of this one, students? Theta. Theta. So tell me reference angle. Theta is the reference angle to 360 minus theta. 360. This is theta. Because full is 360. Right. Theta is reference angle. Angle. So to 360 degree minus theta. Now you go by one. First one, sine 360 degree minus theta. Sine 360 degree minus theta. 360 degree minus theta, which quadrant is that? Fourth. In fourth quadrant, cos positive, sine must be negative. Sine, tell me angle related to 360 minus theta. That's all. How much is sine 360 minus theta? Minus sine theta. So right. Similarly, reciprocal cosecant 360 degree minus theta. Cosec 360 degree minus theta is cosec theta. Cosec theta minus cosec theta. Reciprocal of sine is 1 by sine. It is cosec. Second one. Cos 360 degree minus theta. Again, which quadrant is that? Fourth quadrant. 360 minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. All cos values must be positive. Write the cos as it is. Tell me angle related to 360 degree minus theta. Theta. Cos theta. Right. Cos 360 minus theta cos theta. Reciprocal of this is reciprocal of cos is secant. 360 degree minus theta. 360 degree minus theta is secant theta. So lastly, third one. So tan 360 degree minus theta. So tan 360 minus theta. Which quadrant is that? Fourth. In fourth quadrant, tan is negative. So tan reference angle theta. Similarly, cot 360 degree minus theta is cot theta. Cot theta. I hope you understood these things well, students. Let us stop this class. You explain, you complete on your own. For the 360 plus theta, reference angle is theta. Plus theta, it will go up to like this. For the 360 plus theta, you draw like this. Full 360 plus theta. This is the terminal ray. Terminal ray. This is theta. You use that. This is for 360 degree plus theta. So you draw that. I hope you understood, students. You complete. You solve these things on your own. Similarly, you solve 270 plus and all those on your own. So if you get doubt, you call me or send me message. I explain. Let us stop this class.